Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Survey Payout. And today's video I'm just going to take you straight to the point, and I will encourage you to watch this video to the end. If you are new to my channel Survey Payout, congratulations to you. You are on the channel where you will see step-by-step guides on how you can make money online with online surveys, personal websites, and other sources of earning money online. And for those who have been coming day after day to watch videos to learn, those who are already subscribed to this channel, thank you for always coming through with this channel. Those who are sharing the good updates they learn from this channel, it is always nice to share things that are good and are worth doing. Okay, so in today's video I'm just going to walk you through a few things about Sweatcoin working step counter. Okay, so so many persons, I'm sure that so many persons know about this Sweatcoin, and I'm sure many persons have been on Sweatcoin for many years. But here is the good news. I'm just going to share with you a trick, something that I did that helped me to achieve unlock influencer hub on the Sweatcoin. Okay, and I'm going to show you and tell you the secret. Just watch the video to the end. If you want to know more about what I do online, you can stick around and watch the videos in the playlist, and you can as well join my WhatsApp group. And if you check in the YouTube description on this channel, you'll find the link to my WhatsApp community, a group where we share common thoughts and we share solutions to challenges on online surveys and online means of making money. Okay, so for this update, Sweatcoin, I'm just going to drop the my link to this Sweatcoin so that you'll be able to achieve what I have achieved in few days. I think this took me about 13 days to be able to achieve what I'm going to share with you today. So do not be in a haste to click on the link. Just be patient and watch the video to the end. But remember, the link that will lead you to install this app is on the description of this video. Okay, so now the first step about the few things you need to understand if you want to unlock what I unlocked, the means of getting lots of money from Sweatcoin. Okay, you need to have a USA or UK proxy or a VPN. Okay, this works also with VPN. Now I just want you to understand that this works in the United States, it works in the United Kingdom, it also works in Australia and also Canada. Okay, so one thing is that you work and earn Sweatcoin, and then you can unlock gift cards here. You can see you can also cash out to your PayPal account. For those who have PayPal accounts, you can also cash out to your PayPal account. But if you don't have a PayPal account, you can check in the description, you can check in the video playlist in my channel. There is a video that will help you on how to create PayPal account, a step-by-step procedure to create PayPal account. So having said this, if you have a proxy or a VPN, can connect it to United States. If you are not in the United States, or you're not in the United Kingdom, neither in Canada nor Australia. So as you can see here, already I have this app on my phone. Okay, so I'm just going to click on open, and as you can see, today I've worked for, like I said, I achieved this thing in 14 days and 13 days, and this today is making it the 14th day. Okay, this is making it the 14th day. So if you can activate your account in the United States or United Kingdom, especially in the United States, then your dashboard is going to be like this. Your dashboard is going to be like this. You find something like this. If you don't see these things on your dashboard, just know that your account cannot meet up with this. So if you have a Nigerian account or whatsoever account on Sweatcoin that is not in the United States or the United Kingdom, I would encourage you to uninstall and then use the link in the description of this video. Just click the link, it will take you to the Play Store if you are using an Android, and if you are using an iPhone, you can go to your App Store. Okay, so your dashboard needs to be like this. Okay, and then if you come here, let me scroll to this side. So your dashboard needs to have all this. If your dashboard does not have all this, it means it is not a realistic dashboard. So if you check here, there is an influencer program, and this is what I was able to unlock in 13 days. And here is the benefit. Okay, let me show you the benefit of influencer, of being an influencer. So I'm just going to click on invite. I'm just going to click on invite, and then as you can see on the invite, I already have about 6 persons invited, and these are the things I've unlocked. Okay, so this is my influencer dashboard, and I'm going to show you the tricks on how to unlock this. So if you've not subscribed to my channel, do well to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell. You get updated whenever videos like this or videos on how to make money online pop up on my YouTube channel. Okay, so just imagine that you invite 20 persons. In a day that you've invited 20 persons, you'll be able to have let's see, inviting 20 persons can give you, sorry for that, 20 persons give you $30. 20 persons, you earn $30 for this. You have this, and then just imagine what you can get. And one thing about this Sweatcoin is that you'll be able to cash out into your PayPal account, or maybe with your gift card if you like to use a gift card. So if your PayPal is not, if your Sweatcoin is not like this, then I think you are doing it the wrong way. Okay, so the secret is shared on my YouTube channel that is on this video. Okay, I will share just a few secrets here, and then if you can come on to the community with using the WhatsApp link in the description on this channel, then you'll be able to get a full trick on how to meet up with this. Remember, it is free, but what I'm going to share with you will help you to, on this video, will help you to reach this target. Okay, so remember that it is free of charge. Okay, you don't have to pay for learning these things. Now what you have to do is, Once you are here, you set your target. Like for me, my daily target here is 5,000 steps. Okay, and I can make a few steps now and then say this will increase. Okay, so my target for daily is 5,000, and then I do hit this 5,000 plus. I do hit the 5,000 plus every day. Okay, remember, if you're able to invite people on this Sweatcoin, you earn more, and then you'll be able to meet up this target. That is one. And the first thing you need to do is, once you join here, once you are on this interface, it will display to you. Mine is not showing. It will display to you so many groups. You need to join challenges. Okay, let me click on N. By clicking on N, you see I've joined all these challenges. I've joined all these challenges. You need to join challenges, and then you can earn free sweat coins from these challenges by doing lesser work. Okay, so as you can see here, I can unlock. I have 1,876 steps just to unlock this, and I can choose on this entry. I can enter this and do whatsoever thing I want to do. And social, let's see what is on social. You can join this challenge. So here, what I will just do is to click on join now and join challenge. You see, this challenge has is remaining 12 days, and you need to work 100,000 steps in 12 days. It is possible. You can do this at home. Some persons can just, when you fling your hand and move your phones, it will count. Okay, so it will count that you are working. When you work, you move your hands, it is counting as well. So now let's go forward, and then I can join these steps. These are challenge. Okay, let me go back and come here and join this challenge. I'm just showing you things that you can do. Just join all the challenges you find on this site. Okay, I can invite a friend if I wish. As you can see, I've joined this challenge and I have 47,000 plus steps to make to be able to earn from this challenge as well. I can join this. So guys, if you are able to invite, if you are able to work 10,000 steps every day, if you're able to walk 10,000 steps every day, remember, you can do this by moving your phone. When you work, your phone also moves as well. You can get this unlocked in 12 days. Okay, so by clicking on the link in the description of this video with a USA proxy or VPN, and let your Play Store be changed to USA or UK Play Store, and then remember, whenever you are coming on this site, you need to enter this site with, if you are not in the United States, United Kingdom, Canada, or Australia, you can enter this site with the proxy or with your VPN. Okay, it will help you to be able to accomplish these things. Just allow it to run through the background and enable Google Track to monitor every step that you make. And these things can be earned, and I've just shown you the steps. If there be any other question that you have and what you want to learn more on this Sweatcoin, please do well to write it in the comment section. Or you can, and as well as you join the WhatsApp group, you can as well drop updated questions rather on the WhatsApp group, and then rest assured that you would get reply. Okay, so guys, thank you for sticking around. This is Survey Payout, the channel where you tend to earn money online, and I'm grateful that for those who are going to learn from this trick. Congratulations in advance, and remember, this is just a side hustle for you to make money online. You can be doing your major hustling. You can as well be doing survey while this is in the background making money for you. Thank you as you've subscribed to this channel. Stay tuned for more videos. In the next video, I'm going to drop an anti-detector that will help you, each person that is doing online surveys, to avoid getting banned on online surveys. So I'm just going to just stay tuned, and then the video, when it drops, watch the video, apply the steps in the video, and be rest assured that you are going to earn with survey payout. Thanks, and then see you guys in the next video.